Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Super or Superverse, whatever you want to call it. But I had to make a video on that. I mean, it's super bullish, right? Okay, no pun intended, but it is very bullish right now. Has rallied a lot, also in the signals group, which I'll leave links to that down in the description and the pinned comment if you want to check that out. Not going to talk about it anymore. But there we also took a trade because basically what you saw is that Super obviously was, well, quite manipulated. There were some reasons why it was bullish as well. I mean, it got some great backing by some people I know. And then apart from that, it just also got a Binance futures listings, which sometimes just makes the crypto very bullish. And then apart from that, you can also see fundamentally that the funding rates for Super are often quite good. Quite low, which means that if you go long, that you actually gain some funding fees, which is great. That's a bit of an incentive to go long. And then purely technically, you can see that after making those tops, for the reasons we just talked about, there was a resistance level here at 43 cents, and you could already see that the open interest since Friday has been increasing again, a little bit in a weird way. I mean, Super is 100% manipulated. I've never seen open interest. Well, at least rarely seen open interest like this, where it just spikes up and down, spikes up and down. It's probably a mixture of manipulation, a lot of spot buying, whatever. Bullish markets certainly help too. But yeah, so it broke above that level. There's where we entered with the signal group at that break retest. And since then, has been very bullish. We broke above 50 cents. We now have also broken above 55 cents. There's basically... the main level right now for Super is this entire resistance level right here, which is practically between 55 and 60 cents. That really is the level, all right? That's the most important level right now. The main price target for me is probably 70 cents. And then if 70 cents breaks, which is not necessarily what I expect, but it's a possibility. If 70 cents breaks, we can actually start talking about 75 cents. 85 cents afterwards. They're all realistic price targets, but let's take it one price at a time. And at this moment, like I said, I mean, there's really a lot that could happen with Super. Like I said, the open interest, you can also see it right here. It's bullish right now, I would say, but it's also spiking up and down in a bit of a weird way. So I would say, given the circumstances in the markets, but also for Super itself, if you look at this, and you'd have to guess, will it continue going up or will it drop down now? The most likely scenario is going up again or still going up. I would say like this candle on the 4-hour time frame, I think is the most important candle. Because if that breaks above 60 cents, then not only do we have an increase of open interest since the start of this morning, but then we also technically have a bullish breakout. So then I certainly don't see any reason why we would not get up to 70 cents. And then from there, it's just a real bull run, all right? So then it's just as long as there's no bearish breakout. So for example, if we hit 70 cents and drop down to 60 cents, but hold it as support, there's no bearish breakout. As long as that doesn't happen, price will rally up even further, up to 75, like I said, 80, 85, basically those 5-cent increments are the main price targets. And that also lines up with the technicals, by the way. It's not only that it's just based on 5 cents. You can see that 65, 70, a little bit less, but 70 is a bit of a resistance level, then 75, 76, 80 and then 85, 90, they're all real levels as well. It's just a bit of a coincidence that they're all around the 0.05 increment levels. But that's the main thing to wait for. If Super is not able to break above 60 cents, then it will probably drop back down towards 54 and 55 cents. If it's able to hold that for the next 24 hours, we'll still get that breakout above 60 cents later. All right, the only way in which Super would crash today or tomorrow is if it drops down and then drops down below 54 cents. Then it's probably over. All right, so then Super will probably start crashing, which at some point of time will happen. But for now, like I said, I'm still bullish. So those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next videos and bye.